Welcome to ABA Kids Academy. Today, we're going to learn a very important skill, washing our hands using a method called forward chaining. Hi everyone, I'm Miss Oxa. Teaching skills like hand washing is easier when we break it down into small, manageable steps. This is what we call forward chaining. In forward chaining, we focus on mastering the very first step of a task. Once you can do the first step by yourself, we move on to the second. The goal is to help our little ones feel successful and independent. Let's look at our hand washing steps. Here is our hand washing schedule. There are 7 steps in total. Today, we will start with Step 1, turning on the water. Step 1 is simple. Reach for the tap and turn on the water. Once the child does this independently, we give lots of praise. Turning on the water is our first win. Great job! For the remaining steps, we'll provide gentle assistance. Once Step 1 is mastered, we move to Step 2, wetting our hands. Notice how the child is becoming more confident. Put your hands under the water. Feel the cool water on your skin. You're doing it! Time for some soap. Step 3 is applying soap. We use our yellow automatic dispenser to make it fun and easy for small hands. 1 pump of soap is all we need. Now comes the most important part, rubbing our hands together to create bubbles. Step 4 is rubbing our hands. We rub the palms, the backs, and between our fingers. It feels slippery and bubbly. Rub, rub, rub. Let's count to 10 while we wash. Scrubbing away the germs makes our hands healthy and clean. Now we rinse. Step 5 is washing all those bubbles away under the clean water. Watch the bubbles go down the drain. Rinse until the bubbles are all gone. Your hands are almost ready. Now let's turn off that water. Step 6, turn the tap off. We want to be careful and save water once our hands are sparkling clean. Turn it tight. You did it. Just 1 more step left to go, drying those clean hands. Finally, Step 7. We use a soft, clean towel to dry our hands. Pat them dry until they are soft and ready for playtime. Dry, dry, dry. Your hands are clean. Using forward chaining, you've mastered every step of the way. Remember to give lots of praise at every milestone. A high five or a great job goes a long way in building confidence. Using a reward chart with stars can help children stay motivated. Every success is worth celebrating at ABA Kids Academy. Let's recap what we've learned today about the forward chaining hand washing method. It's all about consistency and encouragement. First, start with the first step. Once it's mastered, move forward. Always provide gentle help for the rest and never forget to celebrate. Thank you for joining us today. With patience and practice, your child will be a hand washing pro in no time. Next time, we'll explore how to use forward chaining to teach toothbrushing. See you then. Helping children learn, grow, and thrive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational tips. Goodbye.